Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for making time to come back and see me today. I appreciate it. This video, you guys, I'm so excited to film it, and as soon as I found out that the package arrived, I was like, let me film this as quickly as possible so that I can start using it. So as you can probably tell from the title, this is going to be a slight unboxing video. I actually ordered a new MacBook Pro for my birthday, so thank you to everyone who helped me be able to buy this. I bought this with a combination of my own money and birthday money that I got from other people. I asked everybody for money this year so that I could get this. You guys, I'm so excited to have this laptop. It's gonna make creating content 1,000 times easier. I've been having so many memory struggles, like having enough memory with my current laptop. I currently have a MacBook Air and it only has 128 gigabytes. Like, that's crazy. My phone is also 128 gigabytes, so like it makes no sense that a laptop only has that much space. And when you're creating content, you really just need a lot of space, and it's been so difficult. It's been slow. iMovie gets really slow sometimes and stops working. I have to X out and restart my computer. I can't even store my clips like on my computer because the place where you insert like the SD card, that doesn't work. So it's been such a hard task trying to even move clips like from my camera memory card to my computer. It's like such a long task, so that'll solve that issue. It did, some of the ports on the side don't work. Like my phone, whenever I put it in like a phone plug one, like to plug in my phone, it doesn't work. It works for other things, but like it doesn't work for my phone, so I can't back up my phone or anything on Apple Music. I had to delete all my music. I've deleted so many files. Like, to even edit a video, I have to normally delete a video that I've already edited and posted and delete the clips because I don't have the memory to sustain it. I bought in 1 terabyte external hard drive and still am having so many issues, so it was time for me to upgrade, and I'm so excited to use this computer. And like I said, I'm mostly just recording this quickly so that I can use it and finish editing a video that I already am currently editing on my old MacBook. Yes, I'm definitely wearing Christmas pants, but half of my pajama collection is actually Christmas pants, so that's what I'm stuck with right now. But this is what it looks like right now. I'm about to open it. Got my knife here. So this is a 16-inch MacBook Pro. I wasn't expecting this until March. Like when I ordered this, it said it is March, excuse me. When I ordered this, it says it wasn't going to come in until March 25th, so that's when I was expecting it. But today is actually March 5th and I just received it, so 20 days earlier than expected. If you order the normal regular MacBook Pro, it'll normally take around, I think it says like up to a week to come in. Mine took a little bit extra time because I ordered extra memory. So if you're ordering a MacBook Pro right off the website and you're not adding additional memory, it comes with 512 gigabytes. But I ordered the 1 terabyte one, which did cost like $200 extra, I think. But I think in the long run, it's definitely gonna pay off. I'm gonna go ahead and open this bad boy. Woo! It's all nice and shiny. I am gonna order a case. I haven't yet because I wasn't sure when I was gonna get it. And wow, it just looks so nice. Initial thoughts, it just looks so nice and protected, and can't wait to open it. Here. Wow, you guys, this thing is heavy. That's my initial impression. It feels really heavy compared to my MacBook Air. Like I said, I've had a MacBook Air for about 5 years now, maybe. And this is what it looks like in the cover. And it comes with, let me just show you guys what it comes with. It comes with the charger block. It comes with this pamphlet. And then this is the block that it comes with. This goes directly into the wall, of course, and then it has a little outlet there. And then this is the cord wrapped up all nicely. Wait a second. Okay, so let me go ahead and take the plastic off. Nice cold metal, that's what it feels like. It's got a nice shine. It's really thin though, like honestly, let's see. It's not as thin, but it's like pretty thin. Like size wise, this is my old MacBook Air versus this one. It's not that much bigger. It's definitely longer, but... And then on the front, of course, let's just open it. It's so thin. I actually really like it. I'm gonna open it for you guys so you can see. Wow, it's already on. It's like loading or something. I can't believe it. I'm so excited. I feel like I'm like a real professional. I ordered it straight off Apple.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
It's got it's got this thingy. What's this called? It's like a little touch. This is like touch right here. It's kind of crazy. I can't believe this. It's so big. It's like huge. Just because I'm not used to it, I feel like this is like an adult computer. Like, I don't know. You know what I mean? Like, I feel like I was a child. Not like a child. I was like young, less established, not really doing much, and I'm doing more things now, but I feel like this is just like an adult computer. Now I'm just going ahead and logging in my iCloud, my Apple ID. Something else that's really cool is it sends you a notification. Like, I got a notification on my phone that I'm trying to log in. So it's really protected, which I love. So it's now sending me a code I have to put in on this computer to know that I'm allowing it to log into my ID. So that's super cool and super protected. It's just so large. Not used to it. I feel like it's like a big boy computer. But yeah, the struggle with memory was so real. Like, you guys, I have 200 gigabytes of space on Google Drive. I have 200 gigabytes of space on iCloud that I pay monthly for, both of those. And then I also have the 1 terabyte external hard drive because it was just such a struggle with my previous computer. And I'm not down putting Apple in any way, shape, or form because I am an Apple person. I love Apple products. But having a laptop that's 128 gigabytes, it's not cutting it. It's not cutting it, and I get it. They're trying to do a little price point. Maybe it's supposed to be more of like a Chromebook or something smaller like that where you take it back and forth. But I've used it as my main computer for years, and I'm not gonna complain too much because I didn't have a lot of issues until I started to create content. And it takes a lot of space, period. When you're recording videos and you're uploading it and moving it to your devices, it takes a lot of space. I literally have, I think, 2 64 gigabyte memory cards for my camera, 2 32s, and then also 128 gigabytes. So it takes a lot of space. And when you're creating videos, you're not just adding in clips, you're adding in music, and you know, like if you like pop up a word here and there, like that's also data that it has to save to the computer, so it can just consume a lot of the data. It's like prompting me to like try and use Siri and stuff. Hey Siri, show my downloads. Hey Siri, what's the weather? I think she's getting used to my voice. Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like? Cool. Share audio recordings. What y'all, the government? I ain't sharing nothing with y'all. Y'all can't hear my audio recordings. This thing has finger ID. I didn't know that. This is, it's crazy. I missed it, but this thing has finger ID. I'm impressed. I wasn't expecting all that. Just getting everything set up. I'm not sure if there's anything else I want to share with you guys. But I like how simple the cord is. I think that other cord for my MacBook Air, it's like 2 or 3 parts you have to connect. This is just literally the cord and the block, which is huge. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it. This is actually pretty long. But guys, I'm so excited to have this laptop here and able to share that a little bit with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this small, slight unboxing. There weren't as many parts. Actually, that's literally all it comes with, which I kind of like. I kind of like the simple things because then it's not like a whole bunch of parts or things that need to be put together. Okay, you guys, so I just wanted to film this little clip too, just to kind of share with you guys some other things I've gotten, you know, with my laptop, just to kind of show you, as I've had it now for a couple weeks. I bought a couple of things, so I wanted to share that with you. Okay, So first of all, I wanted to show you the case I got, which I am just obsessed with. I just love this case. It is just so mean. As soon as I saw it, I had to get it. So of course I have like the flowers here, and you can still see the Apple logo. Still looks really sleek and cute. And then the bottom is just completely clear, and it has this area here to, you know, release the heat to vent the computer. This case came in a pack with a screen cover. I didn't put it on perfectly like the screen protector, but it's still doing the job. I still have like a couple of dents here. Let me see if I can show you. Where you can see there's dust underneath of it, but it's still doing the job. Seeing the screen. And then it also came with a keyboard cover, which is taking some getting used to, just because it is a little bit harder to type but not super difficult. But this all came in a pack. I got the case, the screen cover, and the keyboard cover for less than $30 off Amazon, and I definitely think it's worth it. Make sure that you guys protect your devices with things like screen covers and cases and keyboard covers. Yeah, so I really love that, and I wanted to share it with you guys because it's so beautiful. I will try and link, if it's still available, I'll link it down below so you guys can see which one exactly I got. There's one more thing I wanted to share with you guys. I had issues with uploading stuff from my SD cards from my camera, and if you know anything, well, the new Mac doesn't have any SD ports, and as soon as I saw that, I was a little scared, but then I was like, no, they probably have an adapter, and they do. So I got this one off of Amazon. This is called a QGM, and this is a port. This is an adapter. It's got 4 different ports on it, and this you just put in the side, and I'm in love with this right now. It's amazing. It's so lightweight, and as you can see, it's relatively small, and it gets the job done. I've got one of my SD cards in here, and this right here is for my wireless mouse. So whenever I edit, I typically use my wireless mouse just because it's a little bit easier. But this was, I think, 15 or 16 bucks, and it was 100% worth the money. I really love it. Let me just take these out so you can see. Just wanted to show you guys. Just show you guys really quick what it looks like. So it's got the two, it actually has them labeled on the bottom here, USB, SD/TF, and then this is a 4K Ultra HD. I don't really know what this is for. I don't use it, but just for these 3 alone, it's definitely worth it. Sorry about my bootleg nail. But something else I want to point out. So the big one, this card right here has like a mini, I think it's called like a micro SD. So this one has a mini card, which comes out, right? There's also an insert for that. So I could put this little one in here too. So that's just super cool. I have not done that yet. I normally just use the big one, but just knowing I have that versatility is really nice. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all else I wanted to share with you guys. I'll link everything that I got, including this adapter, the case set, below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for taking time out of your day to come and see your girl. You know, I really appreciate it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That just lets me know that you like this kind of content, and it supports my channel, which I am so incredibly grateful for. Thank you guys again for hanging out today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.